Yo, what is good, guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we will be building a helicopter. Now, I made a post like I think it was like 4 days ago or something, and I asked you guys which one should I build, and y'all want me to build a helicopter with guns, Call of Duty style. So we're gonna do that. Just a little heads up. I like building, but I suck at it. So it might look kind of bad, but I am going to try my best. Now, take a look at my fit. I got this literally just for effect, because I'm building a helicopter, and you don't care, do you? Got my grappler for better mobility, and a backpack full of goop. We are more than prepared. Now, without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so this is what we've gotten done so far. See, you can see like the front frame of it. Pretty cool. Looks kind of bad, but trust the process, guys. Trust the process. Alright, guys, so let me show you what we got so far. So you got the frame. See, I'm making my own unique style of it. It's probably gonna be bad, but I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, guys, I added the fans, and I think we're able to fly this thing. This thing looks terrible, but I'm pretty sure it'll work. So let's test it really quick, and let's see if it works. Okay, yeah, it works. Works a little bit too well. Yeah. Pretty fast. It's fast. It's okay, so it flies pretty good. Now all I really have to do is add a little bit of all I have to do is add a little bit of the interior, and then add the guns, and we're good. Okay, guys, so I got the interior. Let's see if I can see that. Got the remote, know what I'm saying? It looks decent. It's like a little mini helicopter, you know. We can call this, actually, I'll name it after I'm done building it. But it's time to add the guns. All right, guys, so the helicopter is officially done. It has the guns, shields, and guns. Here, let me show you. So I put the Tommy gun on each side along with an RPG. You know what I'm saying? Looks kind of crooked, but it still flies, so we're chilling. Unfortunately, I can't save this because it has too much goop or too much items. But hey, we built it though. We built it. That's the important part. I built it. A good name for this, you know, since it is like my first helicopter, we'll name it the Mini Copter V1, meaning it's the version number 1 of a mini helicopter, because I might make a version 2 in the future. Pretty good though, right? You guys want a different POV when I'm flying? Yeah, I bet. Hey, look at this. All right, let's see how effective it really is. So let's actually like shoot really quick. Oh my God. Okay. All right. All right, so as you guys just seen, it flies pretty well. It shoots pretty good. Like if I took this to the forest and I wanted to just mag dump an ogre, it would work pretty well. So even though it looks genuinely terrible, it actually works pretty effectively. I want to try something. All right, guys, so I got the remote. Let's see how well it is remote controlled. Okay. Well, I mean, I can't really control it, but works. Okay. Okay. Well, that was my helicopter invention. Comment down below if you want me to build anything else, or I'll just make another poll. Even though this was terrible, I will improve over time, so I'm not worried about it. Honestly, I kind of want to go to public lobbies and destroy people with that, so I might get rid of some stuff so I can do that, but see you guys in the next video.